Hi everybody, how's it going? I'm here at the Guppy Tank, taking a look at how it's going. Um, Guppies are actually getting bigger. Start seeing um, the big difference from when they were little tiny babies, and I think I'm gonna feed them so they won't hang up on top when I get close. Need for food. And plants, well, these haven't grown. I thought they were going to grow a lot faster, but those haven't been growing as much as I expected. I think I just repeated that. And the ones that have been reproducing is the plant train. Take a look at the plant train here. That's the original, or actually not the original, but the first sproutling. So that's sprouted from there, and this one's been doing some crazy growing too. Or I think there might be another new little sprouting in there somewhere. And well, it was a little bit shriveled up, maybe because I pulled it out of its roots and whatnot. But now it's actually taking color back up again. Hopefully, I'm going to start seeing some new leaves on it. And this one was up in there. It was getting yellow. It's now been taking color too. See, it's a little bit greener. These have just been doing really good now that they're fully in the ground. Not all of them fully in the ground, but they're still doing good in comparison to when they were just out in the well, in comparison with these that were just out in the air. They've grown quite a bit. This middle plant here is also going to start having a little sproutling there on its own part. It itself was a sproutling, and then the other piece died, and it kept growing from that point. And then now it's giving a sprouting there. I haven't had the chance to actually see how they multiply, because like I said, there was two of these. One of them died, another one kept going, so I'm not sure if the parent plant dies or how that works. So we're going to be able to see that. And the plant train just keeps getting longer. It gives me about one a week. Here is this one, this week's. That was last week's. That was week before. So it's been giving me about one a week or even more. It takes less than a week for it to sprout. Then once it gets to like a little bit smaller than this one, it'll start doing that. And then it'll give out the new one. Baby plants. So it's a plant train. That's what I call it. They're all connected, so if I pull one, they'll all go. And all that along with the baby guppies makes this tank really lovely to look at. I can spend hours staring at it, but I try not to. They're my own home breed of guppies. We're gonna see what they look like when they grow full size. See if they get some tail color. But they're beautiful. They're pink guppies. I'm not sure what their actual name is, but for me they're pink guppies for now. There's pink guppies and gray guppies. And there's baby plants and plant train. You also see this one right here. This one actually actually was behind the heater. I don't know if you guys remember. If you don't remember, you can look at my other videos. This plant was behind the heater, and it's doing all right. It's not super flourishing, but it's living. It'll grow once in a while. Please like, please subscribe for later updates on how maybe populate this tank and another tank plant and fish. I might stick to doing guppies. I might go back to breeding the Danios. We did put a pause on breeding the Danios. Maybe I haven't fed them enough live food, or maybe the climate wasn't good. It's still being a little bit cold in the mornings, and or it might have need some water conditioners for the water, because might have a little bit of ammonia. I was using some not really good quality water, and that might have messed it up too, or just a bunch of different factors. Or maybe I did feed the female Danios live food, but I didn't feed the male Danios as much live food. That might have been the case too. Another thing that happened was I put in a lot of females and very little males. That might have been a problem too. So I heard that it might be 2 to 1 female, 2 males to 1 female, but I'm gonna actually put a pause on that, because our Artemia gets the water so dirty when I feed it to him, and it's just gonna get maybe, or put a pause on it for now, and just wait and see if I can get better conditions for the Danios, which are up with the goldfish. And if you guys know, goldfish are quite a mess, and I'm trying to breed them too, so I'm feeding them constantly for them to have or be reproductive too. So it might not be a good idea to have Danios and goldfish that I'm trying to prepare for breeding in one same tank. So I'm gonna try and maybe get another tank and see if I can put a pause on that right now. Get to it later. I'm not stressed out that my eggs actually didn't hatch, and just for now breed guppies, which are actually quite nice to watch. Okay, so see you guys around. Thanks for watching.